Great. Okay, now and
oh yeah, so it's kind of
just
branching out of that file. I see what you mean.
yeah, and let's just make sure it feels like it's work in progress or whatever. But it's like, you know, one thing that would be good too would be
see you pouring in the milk, or is the pot somewhere else and it's being poured and we don't see that, and you come with the milk.
I think
and
Clint
put it up.
kind of wants to put the pot into the frame.
No, it's up to you. I
No,
know.
let's do that.
We can try both.
So always put some milk in the pot.
Yeah.
I think pour it out and set the mug or something. Just you know, natural. I mean,
Why am I pouring it out?
Okay.
Ready? Alright, let's do that.
Okay. Speaking.
Rolling. Action. Great. Let's just try it. I mean, I like the starting frame a lot, so you can let her walk forward like that for a little bit. Stand like that, and then maybe don't even shoot. Actually, maybe just stand like this. I like that. Yeah. All right, I'm rolling.
I think
I'm seeing her. I'm seeing.
Yeah.
the little girl.
You're seeing a reason to walk up. Exactly. Yeah. You're seeing her sitting between those two trees up there.
Yeah. Yep.
might be an interesting flare from this shot too.
I am getting a bokeh.
Oh, nice.
Little ones.
So she was, she walked up the hill and she sat down right in between those two trees. What I kind of want to do is something where you come out of the path like we just did, and you look, and we look over your shoulder at the scene kind of as it plays out, just like we did at the river. I think we'll kind of shoot that from a couple ways, hopefully. Maybe from this way, we'll pan across to an over the shoulder. Or
No, I'm not.
so
She colored it. That's what
So I
thought.
kind of think
Like red in the sun.
I really like this. Like, you know, I was kind of imagining putting the camera here, just facing this, and all the sun coming right into it, and somehow, you know, seeing her come out here, walk up to here, be looking that way, and then she'll stop somewhere here, and we'll pan and we stop it over the shoulder. Where,
Like we're on the walls.
although we should be a little further down. We're kind of going to shoot from the same place, roughly. Perfect. Roll. Cut. Yeah, that's
Should I have
perfect.
looked up?
No, that was perfect. Yeah, that was great.
Yeah.
I feel like that was exactly. Yeah, I don't think we should do it again. I think that
Okay.
was perfect.
I mean,
I was really close. Like
Yeah, that's
just
what
the
I
eyes.
wanted.
Okay.
Good. All right.
You don't want to see
We're
it?
done. No, I don't want to see it.
oh, good. Yeah, really good job, you guys.
It's a wrap. Thank you.
It's a wrap.
Kind of.
Nora.
Yeah.